Here we have a refrigerator made by Heinner. The model is this one, HF-HM415NFINVSD. It's a no frost refrigerator, so no snow and ice should form inside the fridge. The total capacity is 450 liters, which is inside the model also. The fridge is 321 liters and the freezer is 94 liters. It has electronic controls with touchscreen display. The total weight is 71 kilograms. It's made in China and it was bought from Romania. Color should be silver. And it should look like this. The top portion, the smaller one, should be the freezer and the larger lower one the refrigerator. So let's unbox it. I should better cut the entire box from up to down. The power cable is pretty short. No frost, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 degrees Celsius. Fridge power cool lock 3 seconds. Heinner. It is moving. One is adjustable and it's short. Roller, adjustable leg. This is also adjustable. This has a larger screw and it looks like this. This was here in the center. This element is holding it. You can disconnect it from here. This will probably heat up and melt or evaporate something, I guess. It is plugged in. The compressor started. It's speeding up. A moment ago it was displaying 4 Celsius and now it disappeared. Now it appeared again. No frost cooling technology. I can feel air. Air is being blown here. There's the LED lamp. Summer normal, winter recommended. It was somewhere there. The fan is blowing. It has that little space there at the end, so you cannot just pull it out, you have to lift up the rear portion and then it comes out. It has a nylon on it. Now it's not showing anything, and it's not doing anything. I haven't read the manual and I cannot modify it. Nothing, it is logged. Power cool lock 3 seconds. And I cannot change it. Short press does nothing. So the fridge button is changing the temperatures. So those temperatures are for the fridge. The freezer has -degrees Celsius. It was beeping before. The number disappeared again. So remove a lot of nylon. We have something here. You can grab it from this location. Here it's already black. Here I don't feel air. Maybe from up there, but it's locked yet. The light is up there. In the freezer also there is light. Not many fridges have light in the freezer. This one has. That's the handle. Push in the top. This automatically opens it, but something is locking it. Flexible. Yes, there is colder air noticeable. So this box is cooled even better because the air is exiting up there. So that's an enclosed space. And now frost cooling technology. I don't feel air here. Humidity control. A low humidity. And I guess high humidity. You have to lift it up. Oops, I cannot push it back too much. Yes, this also has a blocking margin there. This is blocking it. You have to lift it up. Let's put one lower. Yes, the side is blocking it, so tilt it to an angle, and the end is also blocking it. So smaller space here, larger space there. That's the handle. It is returning from this point, and then we need to draw it. Yes, it's closing. Let's see this one. The same thing, it's not closing here, and it is closing from there. Just as a comparison, that's a taller one. Fridge and freezer. Fridge and freezer. This is narrower. This is wider. This is taller and this is shorter. That's more energy efficient. It consumes somewhat less power compared to this one. What is inside? We have this for ice. That for changing the opening direction of the door. Currently the left side is opening, so the handle is on the left side. There's the hinge on the right side. If you want to change that, you have to use these. Those are for covering the hinges. This is different. Screw goes here, I guess. Plastic, also plastic, metal, that's for X, I guess. The hinge maybe. Probably this is exactly the mirrored version of what is installed on the fridge. Double door refrigerator. Energy class D, so it's not ABC, neither A+++. Now this is the same thing in a different language. Information sheet, now that's in Romanian. Fișă cu informații despre produs, garanție, warranty, and 195 kWh per year. Noise level is C. Shelves, chiller box, so the top portion of the fridge is the coolest. Shelves, crisper, balconies, leveling feet. Let's measure the power consumption also. 1.8 watts, 0.45 watts. The lamp is on. Now we have 6 watts. Let's open the other one also. Also 6 watts. Now with the doors closed, it went down to 0 point something watts power consumed. The LG fridge is 59 centimeters width. The Heinner is 70 centimeters. So this is 11 centimeters wider compared to that one. The depth is identical, 65 centimeters here and 65 centimeters here also. It consumes 30 something watts. Nothing is shown here. It is automatically logged after it is plugged in. So this Heinner in the freezer has shelves. The other one doesn't have shelves but drawers. This does not have a light either. The Heinner has a light in the freezer. That's a freezer, although it looks identical to that one. Manual mentions 4 classes: SN, N, ST and T. That means that you cannot use it in any temperature. SN means that it requires from 16 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. SN can be used between 10 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. But this model is not SN. It will not resist at only 10 degrees Celsius. This model is Klasse Klimatische NST. Climate class is the middle one, N and ST.
N and ST. So N requires at least 16 degrees Celsius in the house, and ST requires maximum 38 degrees Celsius inside the house. So you cannot use the fridge if inside the house is only 10 degrees and below. Let's say if you are not at home and you are not heating too much in winter time, then you cannot use this fridge.
The temperature of the fridge from this portion, and you adjust the temperature of the freezer from this one. Freezer from there and fridge from here. So this leg is more visible, and that's because that leg is basically on the door itself, so all the weight of the door goes onto that leg, and all the weight of the entire fridge goes onto the door's leg. The other one is more inside, so this is not on the door, but it's more inside. I just opened the freezer's door and the light faded in gradually. Let's see. The same thing happens here. Yes, it does. The light fades in slowly. Will it stop slowly? It still didn't stop. Yes, it is fading in. It is frozen. That is a little bit to the colder side, so more cold here, less cold there. Let's insert a little bit of water and see what will happen in, let's say, 5 minutes. So it is liquid. So 5 minutes passed and the water is still liquid. And after half an hour it is still liquid. The sides are frozen a little bit. Half an hour is not enough to freeze water. 1 hour and 20 minutes and finally it is frozen. Yes, it's solid. Ooh, almost solid. Only the top is solid. Below is still liquid. Oh boy.